Good morning, guys. How are you all doing? Welcome back. So I bought this chemical yesterday that I went to market. I went to chemical shop and I asked them to give me what I can use to wash my tiles. Let me see if it will wash out those cement and POP paint that is on the floor. You understand? So they gave me this with costus. I don't really know the name of this chemical. So the lady said I should go and mix it, then use it. So I want to try it. You understand? I want to try it first inside toilet and in my husband's bathroom. You understand? Let me see if this thing can go out. If this thing wash it out, then I will go back there and buy bigger quantity of it that you can use and wash the whole house. You understand? So it's not everything that you have to pay people. I know, but if the money is there, you pay, understand. But for now, I want to do it myself. So I'll be showing you the before of it. Let me just wipe my camera and show you guys, so that we'll know if the thing will really wash it off. So let's go without wasting most of your time. Let me just show you guys. Okay, here is where I want to wash it first before we go to any other place. I want to wash this place because this is the most. Okay, here and then this side also. So let me see if this chemical is going to wash it off. So I'm going to be snapping the before of it. I'm trying to take a picture of it. Yeah. So let me try and mix the chemical. Keep washing, because most times what people used to show us on internet, what they used to show us on internet, they will just do what they will do and they will not tell you the proper thing they use, but you will just see that the chemical they're using is working. So let me try this one. You understand? Once this thing work out, I will go back there, buy more quantity, then ask the lady the name. So let's go. So this thing is a caustic soda. This one that look like salt and sugar is caustic soda. So I'm not going to be adding all. Let me just put some. Then small quantity of this one. This thing is smoking. Hey God. Yes, I think I need to add a little water to it, because this thing I'm suspecting this thing is hard because it's smoking, honestly. Let me just keep this one aside first. So then add a little water, or let me just pour it like this. It's really doing shine. Let me add a little water. done washing this space, see the place. I think I will still upload the before and after of this. And one thing I noticed that the thing get rid of the dirt that is here, but this man here, this stuff, this POP paint, I think I need to buy this. There is one sharp this thing that painters used to use, that I can use and scrape off this thing. That is what I'm suspecting. I need to buy that and then buy brush, strong brush. Of my own this thing, my own knowledge, I think the chemical really worked. You understand? It's dry. Maybe I need to mix it, not too much this thing. Supposing I did not dilute it, it will wash more than this. Yes, that is my own opinion. So tell me what you think. Did the chemical really work or not? Let me know. Maybe my mixture, I did not mix it very well. That is why. So see the other side I showed you guys. I just do small washing, not proper one, because this is testing. Let me not go wash the tiles cover. You understand? So keep washing and give us a like, tell us your review, or if you know any other thing that I can use and wash this tiles. Any other thing I can use and wash these tiles, understand? You can drop it on the comment section. Let me know, because we all are learning every day. It's not every day that you have money to pay industrial cleaners, you understand? Because for me, if I have the money to pay industrial cleaners, who am I? I will just call them, they will come and do it. Nobody will not like that thing. I will call them to come and do the cleaning for me. But for now, I don't have. Let me do it myself. So drop it on the comment section if you have any chemical that I can use and clean the tiles. I'll be on the comment section reading your comments. See you guys in our next video. Bye.